I want to bring in Misty Marris. She's a trial attorney. Do you disagree, Misty, that Congress... No, I'm kidding. I want to start where Paula left off, which is Hunter Biden testifying. At what you've seen from the case up to this point, the prosecution's case, they've now rested, where the defense is at this point. Do you see value in it?
Paula is spot on. It is a risk versus reward analysis. So here's the value. The defense came out the gate in the opening statements and said Hunter Biden was not using drugs at this time. Hunter Biden looked at the form and didn't identify as an addict. When he filled out the form, he wasn't currently using drugs. What do all of those things mean? They mean you're looking into Hunter Biden's head. You're looking at his intent when he was viewing this form. You're looking at he being the only person who can attest that during that time frame he was not using drugs. So certainly there's value there. But the risk is what can come in on cross-examination. And when a defendant testifies, you open up that door. We know there's so many text messages. There's the infamous laptop. There's other passages of his memoir that did not make it into the courtroom. All of that could be fair game. So it's really a strategy call, and I think it's unlikely that we see him on the stand.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask. If he is called, if the defense decides to have him testify, if he agrees to testify, given that downside risk you lay out, does that tell you they think they have an issue, or that they think that they're in a good place and he should close it out?
It's not really indicative either way. If he testifies, it means that he has the ability to fill in these gaps that the jury is going to want to know about, because they tried to get an expert witness to testify about addiction. The judge shut that down. They're not allowing the expert to testify. So he is truly the only person who is going to be able to say, I was not doing drugs in October. This was my journey. This was when I relapsed. So there's certainly value. But to your point, they have to assess whether or not that risk is simply too high and the other path, because the jury can't hold it against him if he doesn't testify. They just say the prosecutors failed to prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt, and here's why. Both are very, very viable strategies.
Misty Marris, always appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you.